Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I want to appreciate you so much because of your support towards the analysis of this channel. Ruto receives a shocker, informed on what might befall him tomorrow after another petition has been filed. And this petition is about the vetting of principal secretaries that by the National Assembly that is scheduled to start tomorrow may now stall following this petition to have the short listing of the 52 nominees quashed for failing to meet the constitutional threshold. The petition that was filed under a certificate of urgency by lawyer Sheila Mengesa claims that one of the 52 people in President William Ruto's list had not been interviewed by the Public Service Commission, that is PSC. And this is how the information from the newspaper I got it. Now I'm displaying it on the screen. Ms. Mangesa, who filed the case on behalf of Mr. Stephen Kariuki Maina, the petitioner has questioned the basis upon which the name of Mrs. Sylvia Nasea Muhoro was included among those short-listed. Initially, the list of the principal secretaries had 51 nominated candidates, and that is according to what we knew. But the inclusion of Sylvia Nasea Muhoro has now raised concern. And this is about what we are being told by the petition that was filed by Sheila Mangesa. And Ms. Sheila, who filed this case, was on behalf of Mr. Stephen Kariuki. Ladies and gentlemen, when the nomination of principal secretaries were being done, it was by then 51. The report that we are receiving now is that the final list is 52, not again 51. And that is why certain Kenya has come out to file the petition. First, to question if the appointment of these 52 nominees met the constitutional threshold. What we are being told is that the list that we had was having issues. It was 51 people. But after Kenyans complained about tribalism, this was not enough for this government. But again, William Ruto added another number, that is 52. So William Ruto saw it like if the other complaints was about tribalism, where 13 was specifically from Kikuyu Nation, and 13 was from Kalenjin Nation, and some 2 from Luos, and some I think 6, 7 or 8 from Luyas, and 8 from Somalis, and others were getting 1, 2, 1, 2. Was not enough for William Ruto to learn certain lessons that Kenyans were grieving about that appointment. What we are seeing at this moment is that the list that was submitted having 51 nominees is that we are being given a report that now the nominees are 52. This, for example, Ms. Mangesa has decided to file the case to ensure that the name of Miss Sylvia Nasea Muhoro, who was added to the number of 51 and now is 52, what the criteria did they use to add that member on that Kenyan? Because in accordance to Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, I think when you reach at a point of decision, there must be approval. And there are different institutions that approves any step of the government. In fact, the most institution that approves most of the time things that government used to run the government is the parliament. But again, I don't know if the parliament is going to question this issue, because it might be literally as if this government, they will employ or appoint people in an excess way, not the way the Constitution suggests. And that is why we are having the final list, having 52 nominees. So whatever we are waiting, is there any rule that is going to come immediately before the vetting starts tomorrow? Because I have seen already the numbers of the nominees that will start the vetting tomorrow in the parliament. And I want to wait. If anything is going to happen, ladies and gentlemen, we must have update, because this is something that this government is now taking as simple or as something that we are not considering. Because we are worried if these people truly they can be appointed in tribal lines, then immediately again there is another addition. It's showing a certain scenario that is very fishy. So is there any decision that might make Miss Sylvia Nasea Muhoro to be knocked out from this appointment? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, I want to appreciate you so much because of great support. If you are a visitor, please consider subscribing. You put on the notification bell that when I upload my videos you get notified. For those who are returning subscribers, I want to appreciate you so much because of great love. Please consider also liking this video. Otherwise, bye bye till you meet on another video.